So I'm just repairing this oven. I thought I'd do a quick video of what's inside of it. So start off at the top. You got your main switch panel. These are electric switches, obviously. You got thermostatic devices on some of them, but mainly they're just like potentiometer type. Selector switches, easy to change, just 2 screws at the front, but I'll do a video on changing them later. So basically that's your switches and all your wiring, your front of your switches, your PCB board for your timer. When you come up to the ceramic hob, the ceramics are underneath there, the elements. You have to align these perfectly with each of them sticking through there. These are really hard to change on these ones. You have to take that panel off and rearrange them when you put them back. There's your element wiring. Easy really. As long as you remember the wires before you take them off, or photo it or something. And then you got the wiring coming down the back. You got thermostats coming down to measure. There's another thermostat. They come down here and go into the back. There's one thermostat going to your main upper element, and the second one going down here into your oven. So there's your upper element, one of the elements. The thermal cutout type device, like an over limit thermostat for if it gets too hot. Sometimes you have a twin element on the upper one for grill and cooker, but this one just got a single. That's it at the top. So at the bottom you've got the light, which is just a bulb. You've got another thermal cutout for the oven. The main element here, which are really easy to test and replace. Test for continuity. You unscrew them inside the oven, and then it's easy to replace, so I'll do a video on that. And lastly, the oven. Fan assisted oven. This is the fan assisted oven, so this is the oven motor. So you can test the coils on the motor and replace it easy. A few screws, you probably have to remove the blade inside, but I'll do a video on that as well later. So that's it really. Nothing to them. A bulb, a fan, a thermal cutout and an element. The top one, a thermal cutout and an element. The ceramic hobs they're usually easy to replace, but on this particular model they're not easy to replace, because once you take that lid off they're all loose and you have to realign them. But it ain't that bad. And then the switches, thermostats, all easy to replace. So that's it for what's inside of it.